What's up guys, it's Joshua here, and yes, currently I'm in my car now because I want to share with you my thoughts after using this thing for a month with my car, which is the latest 70mm Dash Cam Omni. And I'm gonna skip the unboxing part because I think most of you guys already seen the videos elsewhere, and I got mine set up all here. In this video, I'm gonna focus on the user perspective, on the functionality and also practicality of this 70mm Dash Cam Omni. So is it worth starting from 599 ringgit? Let's check it out. So the one I got here is their signature white and red color, while if you want a more simpler design, there is the black and grey color too. On the design wise, I would say it's quite bulky compared to the conventional dash cam out there, but also it's rather cute, looks like a minion figurine. I wonder if it will come out with a special edition yellow color. You got a 1.2-inch IPS display on the back here, and there's two function buttons on the side to control the Wi-Fi connection and also setup of device, and a light strip here with different color like red or blue to indicate different modes. So the reason being of it like a minion pew shaped thingy here is because of it being able to rotate 360 degrees. So there's a tiny rotation motor here for it to turn around, and with this design here, you'll be able to capture all around the corners when it turns. So today I'm not gonna dwell into the overall specs for this, but focus more on the safety features it offers, like the AI motion detection, the collision detection, and more. So let's go. So the first thing I want to talk about is the voice command. So voice command is very practical whenever you have any emergencies or you get bumped, especially on your blind spot. You can always just do this: shoot right, and it will shoot right immediately for you. If you got something emergency on your right side, or you got bump on your right side, or you can do shoot left for the left side for your blind spot on the left or everything. So this is really practical. Now if you can see, because of it being able to rotate around and with a 140-degree wide angle lens, you can basically able to capture and record down any blind spots that other dash cam cannot do. This is really practical, especially during any emergencies or any accident. If you're on a road trip, you can always do this shoot vlog.
Just ready to say hi to the camera.
Hello! So you can use this function to make things more fun in your car, but bear in mind to always focus on the road while you're driving. So there's another safety highlight, which is the ADAS system, and also detects what's coming into you, like car motion alert, as well as it can clearly differentiate riders and pedestrians around while you're driving.
Lane departure. Vehicle ahead motion detected. Attention to riders. Attention to pedestrians.
Next one I want to show you is that you can do real-time monitoring with the app on this device. Not just that, it also has the AI motion detection, so even if your car is parked and turned off, it will send you instant alerts whenever there's a collision or a suspicious person stands or walk around your car. Because of it able to turn around, it will follow the person around even on a blind spot area. So beside me is my car now. I turn off the engine, and now let me demo the AI motion detection for you. But first, I need to go away a distance from my car first, okay? Let's go. Go to a distance. So I guess I'm pretty far, not that far away from my car. And the first thing I want to demo is the AI motion detection, which whenever someone stands in front of your car, it will alert you on the phone someone suspicious is in front of the car, and it will follow the person and track the person and record it down. So let's go. So I just got prompt that someone suspicious is in front of my car, and once it's successfully uploaded to the cloud, and I can just go in, check out who is the person in front of my car. So right now I view it in, and I can definitely see who is in front of my car, even if the person is in the blind spot. And the other thing that you can do, detect or check where your car is parked at. So you can know your vehicle location. Like now I'm parked at KFC, and then you can zoom into the map and see where is your car exactly parked at. And also you can do remote surveillance, so you can check your car instantly in real time. Now the second demo I want to demo with you is, what if someone bumps into your car, no matter it's a car or a person? Will it record? Let's try. Whoa, it's starting to turn now. So it's recording, and I think I got the notification your car just got bumped. So I think it's uploading, and now you got to see who bumped into your car. So as you can see, it successfully uploaded, and it really records down who bumped into the car. It records both right and left side, and even in the car, so that no blind spots are left out. So to me, this safety feature, this function is super reliable and practical, especially when you park your car in a car park and you are away from your car, and someone suddenly knocks into your car, or someone suspicious decided to vandalize your car. You can get instant prompt, instant alert, and to catch who is this person or who is this car. But just take note, you need to make sure you get the 4G model and also install the 4G Hardwire Kit with a data SIM card in it to run this feature, because it needs the internet to keep it connected to your smartphone. So there's another question here that most of you will ask me, or most of you will be commenting down there, that installing this 4G Hardwire Kit, turning on this dash cam for 24 hours, will it makan my battery? For my Myvi, I've been using for a month now. There's no such problem occurs to me, and yeah, because I think there's this vehicle battery protection here. So you can always set it to low, medium or high. So whenever your car battery reaches that voltage, it will prompt you, and also it will shut the dash cam down to protect your battery, and that will not conk out, will not empty out your battery. Now one last thing to show you is how clear and sharp the night video and pictures. So if you look at the night videos and picture, to me it's super clear and sharp. And there's another bonus feature that I want to share with you guys, which is this. When I go into my album and I want to share a recording of my road trip to my friends, something like this example for you, so I can always add RS visual effect to make the footage interesting. So that's all I want to share after using this 70mm dash cam Omni for a month. Definitely I would recommend you if you're looking for a new dash cam and you are looking for more safety feature, because I think this dash cam really set the benchmark for a dash cam, especially the safety feature, the practicality, the functionality that it offers compared to the other dash cam that you got in the market. So if you're looking for one, this definitely worth the buck. So that's all from me. Let me know what you think about this 70mm dash cam Omni in the comments below. I'm Josie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!